I feel happy, and I must congratulate the wise electorates of 19 South Shillong that who have again reposed faith and confidence on me. And this is the fourth time where I have winning with a huge margin. More than 11,000 votes. Increase more and more. You know, development. I love each and everyone. I'm accessible to each and every people. So I don't keep dogs. I don't keep police or security in my house. So everybody are free to meet me and anytime. You know, they can address their problem and grievances. If it is individually, household wise, locality wise, constituency wise, I'm always accessible to each and every one of my people. I cannot say now, I cannot comment because the result is yet to be completed. So in the evening, our chairman of the Northeast Democratic Alliance, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, he will be meeting us in the evening. Then accordingly, decision will be taken with the party high command.